Good morning, children. Welcome back again. And I hope the topics we covered in yesterday's session are being clear to you. We discussed about parts of the computer. They were the monitor and the CPU. I hope you people have completed the assignment by now. So let's move on to the today's session, that is about personalizing Windows. Let's start with desktop. What exactly a desktop is? Desktop is the main screen area that you see after you turn on your computer. That means whenever we turn on the computer, the very first screen that appears is a desktop. Okay? Next is icons. The small picture on the desktop is referred to as icons. Any icon can be opened by double clicking a mouse on it. The taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. The next one, Start button. The Start button is present on the desktop screen, usually at the left bottom corner of the taskbar. We can access application programs and other functions of the computer once you click on the Start button. Now, if you see this picture, we have made a simple monitor for you. The very first screen that appears when I turn on the computer, I call it as a desktop. The small pictures on the desktop, you call them as icons. The long narrow bar at the bottom of the desktop is called as a taskbar. On the left hand side of the taskbar, I have a Start button, and on the right hand side of the taskbar, I have a system tray. System tray displays the date and time of the computer. Again, I repeat, whenever I turn the monitor for the first time, I call it as a desktop. The small pictures on the desktop are known as icons. The long narrow bar at the bottom of the desktop is called as a taskbar. On the left hand side of the taskbar, we have a Start button, and on the right hand side of the taskbar, we have a system tray. System tray displays the date and time of the computer. I hope the description is clear to you. Let's move on to the next one, wallpaper. You all are used to change the wallpaper in your mobile phones, yes, and many of you might be knowing about changing the wallpaper in a computer also. So today we are going to learn exactly that only. What exactly is a wallpaper? The background screen of the computer, the background picture of the computer is known as a wallpaper. We can change the picture that appears as a background of the desktop. Steps to change the wallpaper. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. The right click menu appears. Now click the personalize option from the right click menu. The personalization window appears. On the personalization window, choose the desktop background. The desktop background window appears. Click on the picture that you want to use for your desktop background and click on Save Changes button. Now let's move on to the screensaver. The image that appears on the screen when the computer is idle for a specified time is called as a screensaver. That means screensaver is a moving picture. When does a picture move? When you will not touch the computer for some period of a time. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. Choose the personalize option. The personalization folder is displayed. Click on the screensaver option. Select the screensaver. Specify the minute and click on apply or a OK button. Operating system. The operating system OS is the most important program installed on a computer. Without the operating system, a computer cannot run. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Children, a PDF will be sent along with this video on your WhatsApp groups. That PDF will be having all the pictures related to the steps to change the wallpaper, steps to change the screensaver, defining more about what exactly a desktop icon and taskbar, system tray, all this are. That will make you more clear. Okay, let's move on to the assignment. This is assignment number 5. Put the date as 30th of April 2020. Question number 1. What is an operating system? Question number 2. Define a screensaver. Question number 3. Define, under that you will have icons, desktop, taskbar, Start button and system tray. Question number 4. Define a wallpaper. Children, write down the answers to these questions in your computer notebooks in a neat and clean handwriting. I hope the topics covered in this session are being clear to you. And that's all for this session. Thank you.